Hi friends, welcome to my channel. To get the regular job notifications, I started one Telegram channel. I kept that link in the description box of this video, so you may join in my Telegram group. In this video, we are going to see the Staff Selection Commission combined graduate level notification. So here any graduate can apply to this post, and these are the permanent central government jobs. You can apply from any state all over the India. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is an official notification released by the government of India regarding the staff selection commission. So I will provide the official website to apply this one, that is Staff Selection Commission, Government of India. You can check down December 29th, notice of examination or combined graduate level examination 2020. Fine, so it is a notification regarding that one. And you can check down the important dates. It is a combined graduate level examination 2020. The date for submission of online application 29th December to 31st January 2021. And the last date and time for receipt of online application 31st Jan 2021. And the last date and time for making online fee payment 2nd February 2021. And the last date and time for generation of offline challan 4th February 2021. And the last date for payment through challan during working hours of bank 6th Feb 2021. And the schedule of CB in computer based examination Tier 1 29th May 2021 to 7th June 2021. The Tier 2 examination dates, that is a descriptive examination, will be notified later. So as if right now, the Tier 1 examination will be held in between May and June 2021. Next. Here the details of the post are given here. So, and these are the Staff Selection Commission will hold combined graduate level examination 2020 for filling up of various Group B and Group C posts in different ministries, departments and organizations. The details of the examination are as follows. So the first one, the pay level 8, that is 47,600 to 1,51,100. And here you can check down the name of the post, Assistant Audit Officer, and in which ministry, what is the classification of the post, whether it is Group B or Group C, and the nature of the physical disabilities and the age limit. So age limit is not exceeding the 30 years. Of course, anyhow, based upon the caste category, the relaxation might be provided here. So in this table, you can check down the Assistant Section Officer in the different ministries, okay, and the Assistant and Inspector of Income Tax and Inspector of Central Excise and Inspector of Preventive Officer and Inspector of Examiner and Assistant Enforcement Officer and the Sub-Inspector in Central Bureau of Investigation. And next one is pay level 6, 35,400 to 1,12,400. So here also you can check down the Assistant or Superintendent and the Divisional Accountant, Sub-Inspector, Junior Statistical Officer. Here the each and every department is mentioning their individual age limits, so you please check down the particular age limits as per the departmental wise and as per the post wise. And here the auditor, accountant or junior accountant, and coming to the pay level 4, 25,500 to 81,100. So senior secretariat assistant or upper division clerk and the tax assistant, sub-inspector. And here, so these are the different jobs in the corresponding departments. And in the fifth point, the age limitations is given here, so you may check down. For the post which age limit is 18 to 27 years, candidate must have born not earlier this one and not later this one. So you may check down all these things. And coming to the relaxation in the age limitations as per the caste category also mentioned here. So you may go through this table. And coming to the educational qualification here, for each and every post, the educational qualifications are mentioned. Assistant Audit Officer or Assistant Accounts Officer, essential qualification, bachelor's degree from any recognized university or institute, and the desirable qualifications are mentioned. And coming to the Junior Statistical Officer, bachelor's degree in any subject from recognized university or institute with at least 60% of marks in mathematics at 12th standard level, or bachelor's degree in any subject with statistics. And for all other posts, bachelor's degree from recognized university or equivalent. The candidates appearing in final year of their graduation can also apply. So these are the these are the educational qualifications required for this post. So how to apply means, applicants must be submitted only in online mode at the official website of Staff Selection Commission headquarters. That is, the website is given here. For detailed instructions, please refer to the Annexure 3 and Annexure 4. So sample pro forma of one-time registration and online application form are attached in the annexures. Okay. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this website link. Okay. Staff Selection Commission website link in the description box of this video. So click on this one. Notice of examination for combined graduate level examination 2020. Then you will be directed to this notice and then go through all these details clearly. And then start applying. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues and subscribe my channel to get the more notifications like this. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide
whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.